What's going on, my people? Welcome to the kitchen once again. Today we're gonna be cooking up some curry chicken for a party today. I got a nice little order today to cook curry chicken for 40 people. So we're gonna cook it up nice and easy. Or 50 people, however much people it is, it don't matter. It's all going down. So today we're gonna cook it up nice and lovely in the kitchen like we do. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut all these veggies, gonna cut it up, and we're gonna get it popping. We're gonna get it rocking and rolling. So one of the things I want to point out real quick is that I wash all the veggies already. Chicken is clean, ready to go. So I'm gonna get this nice and cut. The curry that we're using today, we're using Jamaican Better Pack curry, and we're mixing that with some spicy curry. So let's go, let's get this veggie cut. So now I got everything cut up. In here I got some onions, I got some scallions, I got some green pepper, some green pepper, red pepper, got some jalapeno, and I got some scotch bonnet pepper. And so we're gonna start distributing this stuff equally on the chicken. Over here we got some thyme. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some thyme and we're gonna throw some in this pot right here. Don't be shy with the thyme. You know what I mean? Don't be shy with the thyme. Gonna throw it in here like that. This is nice. Gives off a nice flavor, people. I'm telling you. And so you equally distribute it. We're gonna mix this up. And we're gonna make sure this is equally distributed over the chicken. You get what I'm saying? So let's go, yo. Put some in here. Put some in here. Put some in here. Put some in here. And I could have did all this in one big thing, but to me, you do it better when you just separate it. You're not confusing yourself. Whenever you gotta cook for a whole bunch of people, you don't gotta confuse yourself. It's not that confusing. Just do it, you know? Just separate everything and get it popping. You know what I'm saying? So we got that. We got the carrots and the potatoes. It's cut up already. I'm gonna put that to the sides because we're not ready for this right now. We are not ready for this, so we're gonna put that to the side. So I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna start distributing my spices in here, right? And the first thing I'm gonna distribute is I'm gonna distribute my garlic powder. Okay, you got me? You feel me? Distribute my garlic powder. And then I'm gonna distribute my black pepper. We get the black pepper in here, people. Hold on, give me 1 second. So we're gonna distribute our black pepper. I'll put some paprika in there. Right? I'll put some onion powder in there. I'll put a little all-purpose seasoning. Some complete. Not not too much. Then this is a flavor I just love to use right here. I love the Old Bay seasoning. So we're gonna get some in there, nice and popping. Gonna get some Old Bay in there. Drop some basil in there. Now we're using two different type of curry. First curry we're using, we're gonna use a spicy curry. Let me drop that in there. Don't be shy with the curry either. Don't be shy with the curry. So we're gonna end up, and we mixing that with Jamaica's one and only Better Pack. You know, we're gonna get this thing nice and popping, nice and lovely. Nice mix of curry going on here. Don't be shy with the curry. This is curry chicken. This is not hurry chicken. This is not Keith and Murray chicken. I don't know what the hell that means, but you know what I mean? I wish I had a cameraman make this easier. But now, we're gonna mix all this up. Take your time and mix it up. If you got allergies, I'm gonna pray for you. Cause this gonna mess you up. Take your time and make sure everything's nice and lovely. Make sure everything is everything, you know. Everything's evenly coordinated, you know what I mean? And we probably have to put some more curry in this. Depends how it looks, you know. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Good luck if you're not wearing gloves with this curry. You know what I mean? So I did went ahead and add a little seasoning salt to this. And now we're gonna get ready for the cooking process. We're gonna put both of these stove on high. Get it going. I'm just gonna use a napkin and dry this pot out. Cause I am putting we're gonna put some oil in both of the pots. So just a little bit of oil. How much? I can't tell you how much, just a little bit. You know? You're gonna get it nice and hot. Right? So right about now, we're gonna go ahead and put a little curry. Both of the pots. Get it nice and Nice and warm. Now we're gonna get ready to put the chicken in here. So let's go, guys. So we put both of the chickens in, and we're not really gonna put no water in it right now. We're just gonna mix it up and make sure we get a little nice simmering going. So let's go. Let me get a big spoon and mix it up. So now I'm just gonna add me a little water. Not too much, just enough to get out the bottom so I can stir this up. It's not easy to cook this much curry chicken. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta be patient. Patience is the key. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. So we got it going right now. We basically gonna baby this until it's time to cover the pot. We're gonna let it cook uncovered for about 10 minutes while we can see everything and the nice flavors forming of this curry chicken. This is curry chicken, not hurry chicken. So we're gonna do it right, nice and lovely. Let's go. So now we're getting ready to cover this. We're gonna cover it and let it cook for about a good 15 minutes, then we're gonna come back and check on it. But before we cover it, we're gonna put some butter in it. Slap some butter in that one. Slap some butter in this one. Slap a little bit more. Don't be shy with the butter. You know what I mean? This is not healthy kitchen. This is curry chicken. You know what I mean? So we're gonna put a little bit more water in here and cover it and let it do its thing. So as you can see, we got our potatoes and carrots in here. We're just gonna mix it up and we're gonna let it cook down nice and slow. That's the only way to go, yo. Let's go. As you can see, it's cooking out nice and lovely right now. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. So we have come to the finish line. Everything looking so nice and good. Now it's time for this to go into the catering thingamajigama, whatever you want to call this. I forgot the name of it, but let's go. So there you have it, looking so nice and lovely. Now we're gonna put some of the wonderful flavors in it. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. This right here will make you slap every single person in your family. Not just your mama. You're gonna slap everybody. Look at that. We gotta get it all over. Look at that. 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 Oh my God, look at that. Look at this. God is good, I'm telling you. God is good. Whenever you can cook curry chicken like this, you know that God is good. Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that. Look at it. Look at this flavor. Look at this. Nice and lovely. This is how we do it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys for watching.